everyone, Stefan here with Bohemian Tales. Welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you here. Hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to recap some of the moments that I was able to capture on video and photo this year, and I was able to share with you guys. I started this YouTube channel maybe 6 months ago with the means to kind of capture whatever I can on camera to help inspire you to go out and explore, be it if it's with the car that you already have, maybe you're just able to go on the weekends. Hopefully you went out to explore and experience some extraordinary things. I want to thank everyone that has liked, commented, shared, subscribed, just tuned in and followed my journey. It's been really fun to make these videos. I hope you got something useful out of them, maybe some inspiration, maybe how to do things around the van. I have some of those videos around as well. As you've seen in my recap, I was able to go to a few places, a few national parks, learn a lot of things. I've grown a lot, and here we are. This is the end of 2021. I hope 2022 is a little bit better. Ooh, the sun just came out. Alright, I owe you guys a million hugs and a million thanks, and I will see you next year in 2022 for some more adventures. Until then.